Hey, what's up guys, it's Arya and welcome to the first video of the series of how to study in Canada as an international student. In this series, I'm going to cover a lot of questions which you might have in your mind and you are not able to get the answers. So in this video series, there are a lot of topics and there are a lot of steps I'm going to cover. So these are the topics which you are seeing in the video. I'm going to cover all of those, starting from why you want to come to Canada and down the line how to get the permanent citizenship after completing your education or studies in Canada. So before proceeding further, those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for future notifications. And I would like to add more. The purpose of making this series of videos to get you educated and get you and guide you throughout the process. What are the things and what are the documentation, what are the process and how much time does it take. All the information is going to be included in this video. So even if you go to any agent or consultant to apply for the study visa, you might aware of all the information and no one can scam you and cheat you. So that's the purpose. So without wasting time, we can proceed further the video. Let's go. So guys, the first step is why you want to come to Canada as an international student. This is the most important question you're supposed to ask yourself before moving to Canada as an international student, because the cost associated for studying in Canada, it's depending from $15,000 to $50,000, depending on the course and the universities and colleges you choose, and the province and the cities too. So suppose if you want to spend your 2 years here and studying here and you want to spend those money, but why? Why you want to study in Canada? What are the things you are looking for yourself to come to Canada? So why? Is it because the standard of living you're looking for? Or is it because you are looking for the quality of education of Canada? Or is it because you want to explore something new? Or is it because you are looking for new opportunities to excel your passion or career in Canada? You're supposed to ask this question before coming to Canada. If you're really determined to come to Canada, then you're supposed to look this video throughout. I'm gonna guide you throughout this video series how to apply for colleges and universities and which is best, whether you're supposed to go for universities or for colleges, which courses you're supposed to take in Canada, and what are the things supposed to be done before coming to Canada, and how to apply your visa, how to apply for the funds and how to show your funds and how to get your visa successfully within the time frame. So all those questions I'm going to answer in this video, but you're supposed to be clear why you want to come to Canada. And after completing your education, I would like to tell you the average salary of Canada is $45,000 per year, depending on the domain and area you are, and province too. So the maximum people are earning around $200,000 per year. So it's really varies from person to person how much you can earn. But it's really good while you come to Canada, you have a lot of opportunities because Canada is one of the countries which is having the opportunities for your personal growth and settlement. And it is very demanding and it's in trend all over the globe. And it is very famous for multiculturalism, and you have the people all over the globe and you get socialized with them and you learn the new culture too. So I will request you, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for future notification, and I'm going to come with new videos and I'm cover all the topics which you are definitely looking for. So before leaving you, and if you have any comments or questions, you can ask me in the comment section. I'm going to answer your all questions. So I'll see you in next video. Thank you so much and bye bye. See you.